Yo, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy David B. I'm back again with another reaction, man. We got Stormzy sound and the Skeng. We finna get into this reaction video, man. This one was unexpected, bro. That's why I had to go ahead and do a reaction video, man, because I wasn't gonna drop no reactions until today. But hey, we finna go ahead and get into this reaction. Let's see what this one about, man. Yeah, they taking notes, ain't it?
Easy. And it's like 5 whole years on the circuit. Every single year I work it. I switch flows, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it.
The beat already cold, bro. That man said, I switch flows, they jerk it, bro. Y'all trying to copy that boy. Simple.
I switch flows, they jerk it. I
still in his man flow.
Reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Cause if it's up a bitch, I'll stay wrong and make it look perfect. Kyrie probably deserves it.
Bro, his visuals always be wild, bro. They always be wild.
Look perfect. Kyrie probably deserves it. See, old school might just splurge it. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest. I go the furthest. And then they been the hardest. And I want my man might kick off your face and worse. Man might leave with the babes on burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up the waist and skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful.
Did he say, them man lift up a waist man skirt? If he said that, I take it as he calling them pussy, bro. Simple.
Bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up the waist and skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful. Have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng. I move foul, my friend foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs are my different. Nigga around Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been.
You say you man love the Americans too much. That's tough. Hey, it is what it is, man. Let people like who they like, man. Simple. I don't know why you like America. Like, I live here, bro. It ain't really too much. Like, I mean, it's some shit that you could do here, man, but it ain't all that. So if you saying y'all love Americans, bro, that's tough. Well, they love Americans. I don't know why, but
so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get
the two kids though, they writing. I guess they taking notes of everything he doing. Like they trying to copy him or something. I don't know. And they follow him around, so.
We talking raps. We talking plaques. All stats. I rude, but you do the math. I look to me in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big snap boot, but it's funny and fixed now. The story's gonna stick to my swag and trips now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now, but man might kick off your face and worse. Man might leave with the babes on birth. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up the waist and skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful. Have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that.
Is he sending shots to somebody, bro?
I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng. I move foul, my friend foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs are my different. Nigga around Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this.
Bro, is he really consistent though? Cause I mean, the last track I reacted to just with him though was that Vasi Bop. I don't know, that was a while ago, bro, like a couple months back. I mean, he could still be consistent, but I don't know, man. He ain't dropping like on a regular or nothing. But he was just now in the music video with what's his name, Ed Sheeran and H and JK. So I mean, I guess. But that song dropped a while back too, really. I reacted to the original audio. This guy overrated. He talking about knocking out the trolls, bro. He said my fist on point.
They're trying to figure out what is this track. Me and Flipper come and flip this track. My fist big like Mrs. Dre.
Bro, I thought that was that one guy that be sitting in his car rapping and shit, bro. The little songs. The white guy. I don't know his name, man, but I know he did Digga D track, bro. Look, that man funny though. I thought that was him for a minute. This visual all over though. So. Shit. Like I said, the visual, bro, like, is everywhere. But I was seeing the two little kids, they writing down, I guess, they trying to copy his movements, man, do what he doing, or they following him. I don't know. And from the song, from the song, I'm feeling like he sending shots to somebody, man. But I'm not sure who. I'm just saying here, like, listen, like, when I listen to tracks now, bro, I be listening close because most of the time it do be shots sent to somebody, bro. Even though I might not know who it is, but there's some shots in this mode. That's what I'm feeling. This Atlantic Records, UK. But yeah, this was another banger by Stormzy, man. You know, Stormzy, he say he consistent, but I don't know, bro. With consistent, I'm thinking like a regular, you know, you regularly do this shit, man. It been like a couple months since I heard Bossy Bop, man. Well, since that dropped, so I don't know. And I reacted to it kind of late, so yeah, it been out for a while though. But yeah, this is Stormzy Sounds of the Skeng, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think of this song in the comment section below, and what y'all think the plot of this is, the visual, man. Because I don't know, like I said, I feel like the little kids, they just like copying him, want to be like him or something. That's why they sitting there jotting down notes or whatever, man. But y'all tell me, man. Y'all more informed about it than I am, bro. I'm just calling it how I see it through the visual, man. But yeah, just the end of the reaction. Y'all gonna leave a like, sub if you're new, turn on post notifications. Help the channel go. Appreciate the love and support about us rocking. Man, we going crazy road to 50K. Follow me on IG and Twitter. The links are in the description. It's your boy David B, and I'm out, bro.